Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Cultivate timeless charm. French country garden design ideas. Imagine a garden that feels less like a manicured landscape and more like a page from a Provençal storybook. The French country garden style, or jardin à la française, is a celebration of rustic elegance, fragrant blooms, and a lived-in, welcoming charm. It's a design that embraces a certain joyful negligence, where nature is guided but not strictly controlled. This approach creates a space that is both beautiful and wonderfully livable, inviting you to linger with a glass of wine and enjoy the simple pleasures. By incorporating a few key elements, you can transform your own outdoor space into a serene, romantic retreat. Let's explore the core ideas that define this enchanting style. The heart of a French country garden lies in its lush, overflowing, and seemingly effortless plantings. Avoid rigid lines and formal patterns, opting instead for a soft, naturalistic blend of perennials, herbs, and climbing vines. Favor a palette of soft, muted colors like lavender, soft pink, creamy white, and buttery yellow, which create a serene and romantic atmosphere. Lavender is a non-negotiable star, providing structure, iconic fragrance, and that quintessential Provençal feel. Let plants like roses, catmint, and sage spill gently onto pathways, softening the edges and encouraging a sense of discovery. This generous, slightly wild approach results in a garden that feels both abundant and intimately connected to the home. Hardscaping in a French country garden should look as if it has been there for generations, gracefully aging with a beautiful patina. Use natural local materials such as gravel for pathways, which crunches pleasantly underfoot and allows for easy, informal layout. Old reclaimed terracotta pots, slightly chipped and moss-covered, are perfect for containing herbs and small flowers, adding instant character. For seating and structures, choose weathered wooden benches, wrought iron bistro sets, or arbors made from rough-hewn timber. Stone, whether in the form of a low wall or simple edging, adds a sense of permanence and rustic elegance. These elements work together to create a backdrop that feels authentic, warm, and full of history. A French country garden is designed to be experienced, not just viewed from a distance, which is why creating intimate garden rooms is essential. Use climbing roses on an arbor or a simple hedge of boxwood to define different areas, such as a secluded seating nook or a vegetable patch. A focal point like a vintage stone bird bath, a simple sundial, or a rustic water feature draws the eye and provides a sense of structure amidst the floral abundance. These features serve as gentle anchors in the landscape, offering moments of visual interest and tranquility. The goal is to create a journey through the space, where each turn reveals a new charming vignette. Ultimately, these cozy corners invite you to slow down and fully immerse yourself in the peaceful sensory delights of the garden.